That. You always jinx it.
Yeah, you're good.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, rain, rain, don't go away. Please stick around for another day. Oh, I love sitting under when it's like this.
Think about places. What the fuck is that?
I don't know. Make sure nothing. It's not ours.
Sounded like Tina just crashed.
What?
Oh, no, it was that car. I think they fell off the curb.
That's sad. Wow. Huh? Was in the back seat? Oh God, he's such a pussy. Yeah, I'm still a pussy.
Baby.
He is. I'm thinking he's only got a year.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Come on, Rain.
He is old though.